All right, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines, right?
Uh,
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
Sorry, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am. No.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am. I'm very healthy.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Okay, I agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. This is a third time.
Third time. Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because a good opportunity, ma'am.
Good opportunity. You don't have any opportunity in any other countries?
Uh, s- have also, but salary high, ma'am.
Salary high. So, why did you still choose to work as a domestic helper?
Because for my family,
Okay, so what do you think is the most important quality for being a domestic helper?
sorry, ma'am.
What do you think is the most quality for a domestic helper? Because you mentioned that you wanted to work here, right? And it's not new for you to work as a domestic helper. So, what is the most important quality for being a domestic helper?
Be honest.
And then,
Um, uh, Time management and good working.
all right. So, you know that according to you also that the salary here has been increased, right? So it's a good
Yes.
opportunity for you to work here in Malaysia. But
Yes.
all you need to do is prove how do you work properly and how hardworking is the Filipino people also at the same time, okay?
Okay.
You need to have a long patience and it's no such thing that if there is like anything that you don't like is you just suddenly like wanted to give up or wanted to go back home. That's not is the quality of being a Filipino. All right? You
Okay.
need to work
Okay.
harder and then you need to prove that the increment of the salary is worth it.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I am Amalia Prodente, 32 years old, and I have three kids. Um, the age of 11 years old, 9 years old, and 7 years old. And I am single mom,
You are single mother or single with live-in partner?
single mother, mom.
Single mother. So when is your birthday?
July 22, 1993.
What is your height and your weight?
My height, 5'3", and my weight is 55.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic,
What is your educational background?
high school graduate.
Alright. So you mentioned that you are a single mother, right? And you don't have someone to rely on, correct?
Yeah.
So who will going to look after for your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, mom.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
Um, 54 years old, and she is a farming.
What about your father?
56 years old and also farming.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have six sister and I have four brothers.
What is your rank in your family?
Three mom.
You are the third. So your parents allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, mom.
All right. So according to your profile and according to you just a while ago that this is not your first time working abroad, but rather than you have your first working experience in KSA way back 2019 to 2022. According to your profile, is was it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So you worked there for how many years?
Um, 2 years.
2 years and you finish your contract. Can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities inside the house?
Take care of the children, and then cleaning, cooking, are you washing, and ironing.
How many children you take care?
Two, mom.
How old are those children?
9 years old and 7 years old.
Alright. So what happened why you didn't continue working with this employer?
Finish contract, mom.
Finish contract. After 2022, do you have any working experience?
Yes, mom. Kuwait, mom.
How many years you worked there?
Almost 3 years.
Kuwait. So
Yeah.
what year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
I started 2022 and finish this 2026.
What month in 2022 and what month in 2026 you finish your
January,
contract?
January, mom.
January 2022 until?
Uh, 2026, January also.
So you worked there for 3 years.
Almost 3 years.
I mean 2022 until 2026.
January 2026, I come here, mom.
All right. What year did you started again in Kuwait?
2022,
So you worked for
2020,
4 years,
more than 3 years, more than 3 years.
more than 3 years. So if you started January 2022 and ended January 2026, then you worked for 4 years lah.
I started, mom, January, no, sorry. I started 2022, September.
September.
And then, yeah, and 2026, January.
So 3 years and 4 months, is it?
Yeah, yes, mom.
All right. So what is your job responsibilities there?
Cleaning also, and ironing, washing.
Did you cook?
No, I'm not cooking there, mom.
So did you take care of any children inside the house?
Mom,
Do
only,
you So do you have companion or are you the only helper?
sorry, mom.
Are you the only helper inside the house or do you have
Yes,
companion?
yes, have.
You have companion.
Sorry, mom, I don't understand.
You have companion inside the house or there is any other helper inside the house?
Yes, yes, mom.
All right. So what happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
Also finish contract, mom. I want to change another country.
All right. So I already informed many times that working here in Malaysia is different in Middle East, okay? I don't want later that you were going to compare your previous employment here in Malaysia. Reality here is employer is very particular when it comes to cleanliness and houses here is very big one. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Okay, mom. Yes, mom.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, mom.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, mom.
Can you cook? Can you cook?
Sorry, mom.
Can you cook?
Yes, mom. I'm willing to cook.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Alright?
Okay.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Okay, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay? If you agree, it's fine, work properly, don't give us problem. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time knowing that you're a single mother. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Amalia. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much and
much.
have a good day.